on a double, 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 in a bubble, in a bubble, in a bubble. Double the price, double the hype, double the hype, double the vibes, double the pain, double the gain, double the dip, double the dips, double the hype, double the balls, double the bulls, double the hex, double the Bitcoin, double the coins, double the tokens, double on a double, on a double, on a double, on a double, in a bubble. Yeah, so what up? We are talking about Provex here, and this is what is happening actually. Quite like right now, this is something that has been happening. Um, yeah, this is how the price has been performing uh, each day since it was launched actually. Apparently now this chart is able now to show each day's activity, uh, each day's activity or price performance each day, and that's why now we are able now to see these candlesticks here. You can be able to see the green candles are representing the bullish pressure or the buying pressure, and the red candles now represent the selling pressure or the selling momentum. And you can see now after price was launched, or after this asset was launched, it performed like this. Okay, like price went up to this high, and you can see the high of 0.30138885. And now, of course, now this is the lowest low from where the price began at. And then you can now be able now to see, since then price has been going down, and now we have this recent price pump that happened like a few days ago. Yeah, so I've told you this asset shows how price has been performing each day. Yeah, so each candlestick represents each day's price performance. Yeah, now this is what has been happening, because now since then price has had this downward movement, and now we are able now to measure it using the Fibonacci retracement tool. And now you can see price has reached or price reached at this level here around the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. And you can see after that now price has been now on a bullish trend like a few days ago, and now this is what is happening. Price is like making a downward move. Now this is actually a good signal, because now after this price pump, you can see price is like it is going to make a W. Yeah, and now this W is usually a very important price pattern, because it shows it shows how price bounce or price has gotten supported at this level. Yeah, and this again price accumulation, where price is accumulating at this price at this point, just to fetch enough liquidity so that it can continue moving up. Yeah, but now before all this happens, we will get a good signal around this place here, around either the 78% or even lower, and then we are going now to confirm now the bullish trend. Or even not that, it can just happen in one single drop, and then price will correct. Yeah, because what I understand about now this price performance, and now Provex is very volatile right now. It has just been launched, and then we are now going to see how it is going to perform. Yeah, it is still in the period of price discovery, because not a lot has been exploited out of it. Many companies are still attaching themselves and using it. Yeah, so we are in the very early stages of these assets. Remember, it was launched in March 2026, and right now it hasn't even March, April. Yeah, so we are in April right now, and now we are waiting to see how this month, to see how this price is going to perform this month. Yeah, so there's still very many analysis about this. We are just making them like very simple for anyone just to understand, and making it like very naked without adding very many other um, see indicators or maybe other lines. Yeah, but now you are able now to see these prices going down here, and I've shown you like now we usually have these W patterns. So these patterns usually happen in the market quite oftenly. So these like support, if it is tested once more, it will mean that we have enough we have a lot of liquidity here. That is to mean the buying the supply. Yeah, there's a lot of supply there. So once price retests at this zone, we are going now to confirm how price is going to perform in the next few days. Yeah, so stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you learn more and more in-depth analysis about this. Yeah, you can even see now in the 4 hours. Yeah, for this one, you are not going to do a lot of maybe downward analysis, because you can be able to see there isn't maybe much, but then you can see in the 4 hours this is how price has been dropping. Yeah, so if you are able maybe now to get enough cash, or you can want to invest into these assets, you can uh, get a good entry around somewhere here, and then now you will be able now to say that price might go up, and you are going to make quite some good ROI, return on your investment, after price starts being bullish. Yeah, so thank you very much. See you on the next video, yeah, of our analysis. Peace.